Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your passphrase on the Sui Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can either log in using your passphrase or your key, as well as your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to export your key or your passphrase, just click on the drop-down menu alongside account. You will now see the manage button. Go ahead and click on this, and you will now see the export passphrase button. Click on this option and you will now be shown your recovery passphrase. It will be blurred by default, and in order to reveal this, you will need to click on the eye icon. You can also click on the copy option in order to copy this into your clipboard, and you may share your passphrase. And by this method, you will be able to export your passphrase for future safekeeping if you have forgotten it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your passphrase on the Sui Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.